Hello everyone, my name is Charles. I'm working in GigaDevice Semiconductor Germany as the MCU Technical Marketing Manager. Today, I would like to introduce our secure over-the-air update solution based on our new products GD32F527. GD32F27 is a new product that integrates ARM Cortex M33 core running up to 200 MHz. Device integrates a large memory up to 7.5 MB flash and up to 1 MB of the RAM. For the flash, it supports up to 2 MB code flash, and it supports over-the-air update. For the traditional way of the over-the-air update, you need to have the external memory for the backup and also for the new firmware download. But with GD32F27, all the process can be done with the internal memory together with the functionality of the memory remapping and also the bank swap. So let's see how it works. Now you can see from the EVA board that the code is running in bank 0 and application 0 is running. So now we download the application 1 on the fly. When we press the button of the update verifiable firmware, you can see the code is downloading to another bank in bank 1. After the successful download, we do in the bank swap. Then the device go into the deep sleep mode. When you press the wake up, device is going to the boot loading verification, and now you can see the app1 is running in bank 1. Now we simulate the unverifiable firmware download. You can see on the fly the code is downloaded to bank 0. After download successfully, we're doing the same procedure of the bank swap. The device is going to the sleep mode. When we wake up, it verifies the bank 0 at first, but it's failed because the bank 0 code is corrupted, but device still can switch back to the app1 in the bank 1. Now we doing this update with a verifiable firmware again. You can see the new code is downloaded to bank 0 with the existing code running, and afterwards we doing the bank swap, and then wake up. Now after the bootloader verification, you can see the bank 0. Now it's the active bank with the app0.